Oh, we've got another motor! What's this bad boy? What is it?
This 110-inch Revtech engine.
Beauty.
This is John Doble's, well, one of John Doble's.
One of them?
Yeah, crazy bloke. Yeah, I think he bought this one beginning of this year, I think. Well, we've done some sorting out and stuff on it. I think I can't remember what it's built now. But there, as usual, some substandard bits and bobs on it. But he's having a new paint job on it now because the paint's a bit ropey on it. So,
what kind of tanks you got?
It's sort of fairly long, sort of sleeky, choppery style one,
yeah.
like, Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby!
Chariots of fire. Like,
That's some serious talk. Look at that.
John loves it. So.
Yeah. Oh, let's see what the tank looks like.
A nice pearl blue. It's one of the new colours that Ford use.
Yeah.
But the flames that he wants on there has all got to be different coloured blues.
Nice one.
And it should look good, what I've got in mind.
It's look good on Chopper.
Yeah. It's got to bring that bike out far better than what it was, you know?
Yeah. Here we go. Getting some flames started.
Yeah.
We're getting there. Nice. That's going to look pretty epic.
Yeah, trying to think what colour he was going to do.
We're going to find out. We'll find out.
No, I think he was doing them sort of blue and silvery, I think. Yeah.
It's going to look good. The rear fender's having a bit of work. Ooh. Is that having flames on? Is it just staying as it is?
Yeah,
oh, yes.
Yeah, flames right away.
Have I got the silver in? Where's the tank? Get it on. Ooh.
But putting the silver on is like putting the base silver on, like, there's got to be done with yours, like, you know?
Yeah. Ooh. Lovely.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Be seeing you. Be seeing you, boys. Contemplating.
Man in deep thought.
Yeah, totally deep thought.
Right, let's go and have a look at some of the other bikes that's in here. Oh, we've dubbed this the Slimer. Yeah. Suck that up. Ooh. I can love it. Screaming seagull. Here's one we did earlier.
Yeah, hopefully, touch fucking wood, that all goes well. Change your glasses. Change your glasses. Ah! Ah! There they are. That's better, we can focus.
Take me to hell! I'm going there! I'm going to hell! Take me to hell! I'm going where? The devil's hell!
Looks alright though?
Yeah.
We'll take that one off there now, you'll really get it.
Beauty.
Let's see if we can get all this unmasked for you to get what it's all about.
I don't envy your job. Oh man.
Hear the business coming to get another load. Fire crash down. Do you wanna go? I say hell yeah. I say hell yeah. It's a monster. Rule the earth now. No, this ain't no joke right now.
There she is. She's had a wash, apparently.
Fucking needed it.
That looks mint. Brilliant. Well tasty. It's pretty happy with that, my man.
Yeah.
Sounds enthusiastic. Yeah.
That's not the lens.
That's it?
Yeah.
It's got what on top of the lens? Oh yeah, yeah, iron ore shit. Yeah.
Iron.
Iron idiot.
It's a groovy bracket.
You actually videoing that bracket?
Yeah, man.
For fuck's sake.
It's a good bracket.
Yeah.
Smash brace.
Motherfuckers!
Who's this slag? Beauty that is. Finished article. Gives a wave.